I'm Enrique Torres, and I currently am a Master Tech at AutoNation Nissan Chandler. Yeah, ever since I was a kid, I was kind of into cars. I never thought I could make a living out of it, but just as time went on, that turned into a good career for me. My dad had a friend who used to rebuild transmissions in his garage, and I used to just sit there for hours just watching him tear stuff apart. And that just really, got me into it. And then when I was in high school, UTI came around recruiting students, and then that kind of just opened my eyes to there's a future in this for me. I just started as a loop tech, and as the years went on, they had different ways of apprenticeship that they had going. And I worked under some guys that had been here, 20 plus years, and just started moving my way up. They just showed me the ropes, showed me what, the things I really needed to know, and I just took that information and just moved on with it, and that's how I got to where I'm at. I'm currently a master technician here. I am GTR certified, I am Leaf certified, diesel certified. I pretty much work on any Nissan that comes through the door. I have two boys. I don't have a lot of hobbies on my own, but yeah, I purchased my first house that I currently live in right now at 23. So yes, you can make a good lifestyle doing this. If you work, like I said, if you work hard, you dedicate yourself to it, yeah, you can move up fairly quick, and you can make as much money as you'd like to make. You get out what you put into it. So if you do go program like UTI, it really does help you out, get all the basics out of the way, gets you, if you don't know anything about engines and stuff like that, it helps you in the door, and it just gets the ball rolling. You just have to put some money into your toolbox to start making money for you. I personally, I can't do a computer job. I would go nuts. So I like being hands-on. I like being, even when I go to training, it's just sitting in a classroom. I can't wait for when they tell us, hey, it's time to go to the shop. But yeah, for me, if you're a guy that likes to work with your hands, working on cars, it's where it's at.